On the IDBI Bank
So
Deepam Sethi is saying that it's on track. They're on track to close the sale.
Yeah,
it
is on track. It is on track. The process is on, and we will finalize as per the time schedule.
By when?
But this year, this year.
This calendar year, sir.
Yeah, this calendar year.
And sir, recently there were news about that government is willing to go for a merger of all PSU insurers. So is there any plan on plate where all the general insurance company can be merged?
No, not as of now. We will, when the policy decision is taken, we will come out. Okay.
So on this JSW steel, entire Bhushan steel order by the Supreme Court, is the government taking any stance? Because this is something which is very rare in IBC, where after a merger, the entire process has been halted.
Yeah, this is judgment has been reviewed at DFS, and we are studying the judgment and the possible course of action. We will finalize our next step after discussing with our government, senior government advocates, and we need to take a serious look at the judgment.
Okay. Is there a plan to review it?
No, I have already reviewed with all the banks, all the lenders, and we have taken a position. We have studied the judgment. We have got our advocates' views on the judgment. Now we take a view in the government. How do we approach the judgment? Okay. So we'll finalize.
And this is a residential mortgage today. What the listing happened? How game changer it can be for the housing sector and the housing lenders?
This is one of the things that is missing in the housing finance sector. This actually will help both the housing owners and originators and also the lenders. We actually will have more movement of capital from the lenders, and then it can be traded, and then it comes to the housing owners. It comes at a fixed rate, which is good for the middle class. People will be able to get at a fixed rate of interest, which is good. They can actually budget for that amount. And then since it is traded in the capital market is also going to provide a lot of funding to the lenders. And with that, I think lenders will be able to lend more to the housing sector. We need to lend more to the housing sector.
And sir, Insurance Act Amendments bill is getting delayed. So can we see
which one?
The Insurance Act Amendment bill? So in the upcoming monsoon session, do you think the preparations are over?
Preparations are over. We are hoping for the government decision quickly. Once the decision is available, then we will move to the. We'll take it up with the. We'll take up it in the submit to the Parliament.
Okay, you mentioned that you have been already discussed with banks on the specific case, but will there be another COC formation? How would that go?
Nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with the COC formation. This is already done deal. Now the Supreme Court has given some judgment, and we will see what can be done. Okay. There are several legal means. Okay. So we will take up. Once we finalize, we'll inform. We'll let you know. Okay.
So what was the progression
Thank you.
IDBI Disinvestment? It's been taken a long time.
No, we have already informed.
So, but the closing diligence which was on is also not concluded yet. Usually that finishes in 90 days. There's been a little delay on that.
Just numbers here and there, 5 days, 10 days delay doesn't matter. But the target is this calendar year we'll complete it.
Calendar year.
So IRDA chief post is lying vacant. So with this time it will take more time to get filled, sir.
I don't think so. Government will decide immediately.